Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be downloading some free games right here on your Xbox. So let's just go right into your Xbox store, and right from there we're going to look at memberships. Now this is for Xbox Live Gold members. You will get these free games and they're up here. So Xbox Live Gold, so as long as you guys have that membership, you will see that you get this right here, these games for free. So let's just go right into it and get more info, and from there we can see which games are available for this month. Now every month we do get a couple games and we will be doing a video on each one of those games. Anyways, let's just get started with right here, Rally 4. So once we click on it, we should say free on top of it, okay? Even if it says buy to own, when you downloaded it, it's yours. It's not a trial, it's not a demo, it's the full game. And that goes with any game that you guys can download right now within this Xbox Live Gold. So right now I can see that it says free. Let's just click on get, and that's it. So it does tell us that we have 27 days left in order to download this. Does that mean we only have 27 days to play this game? No, it just means to download it, then you own it, you can play it, you can delete it, you can re-download it later on, because now it's yours. Just don't click anywhere else. You do not need to click on buy to own. Right now it's pending, so it's just gonna download later on. And I will show you how big it is in just a few seconds. We're just gonna download all of them right now and see how big each one of these is. So right now we're clicking on this one. The only game that we're gonna get a different process is for any games that are from Xbox 360. So let's just press on get. And again, it should say free up here. It's only 11 days left. That means there's another game coming up in 11 days. They're not just gonna leave you with 2 games after 11 days. Again, these are not trials, they're not demos, they're yours to keep. And obviously you guys do need Xbox Live Gold membership in order to get these for free. Now let's go into our Xbox 360 game right here. Now these have to be verified with payment information, which I know doesn't make sense, but as long as they say free, we should be okay. So we're just gonna wait for this to download. There we go, it's loading. Let's just click on see the price. Once we click on see the price, we're supposed to get another message where on the top it has to say free. And it's a little bit slow for me right now because I'm downloading quite a few things at the same time. For you guys, it shouldn't be this slow. Once it finally loads, you will see this. On the top, it should say free. As long as you guys have that, go ahead and verify your stuff. Once we do that, we will see a screen like this, which is actually an error type of message that keeps happening with Xbox 360 games, and only with Xbox 360 games. This is supposed to be a lot smaller. Don't worry about it, just hit done for now. Then it's gonna take you all the way back here. Again, don't worry about it, just go back into memberships, go back into the game, and we're gonna just make sure that it's actually downloading. Now, there we go. So it does say you own this game. Let's just click on install, and it's supposed to run the game right now and start downloading it, or at least be in the list for you guys in order to download this game. So right now it says pending, perfect. You can actually go all the way back and look at the games that are downloading at this point in time. So let's just go to my games and apps, scroll all the way down, we see this, click right here, and we're gonna see everything. So here's where is updating. Let's just pause that installation, so we can see the other games and how big they are. So it's actually quite a few things that need installation right now. There we go. So we're gonna see the exact, there we go. So this is 20 gigs, 20.31 gigs, which is pretty big. So now that we saw how big this game is, it's just gonna take quite a while to download. We're just gonna pause it and take a look at the other games. So pause installation. We're gonna take a look at the next one and see how big it is, because I can see there's various parts into that game. So right now, this first part is only half a gig, so we're looking at 533.44 megabytes. So that's about half a gig. We're gonna pause that installation. We're gonna take a look at the next part of it. There we go. So we're gonna see how big this other part is. I can only guess it's gonna be about the same size. And then we're gonna take a look at our Xbox 360 game, which should be the smallest one that we have in the list. So yes, this part of it is only 290.16 megabytes. Pretty small. For most of you, this will download pretty fast. So we're gonna pause it anyways, because we want to see how big the Xbox 360 game is. And again, once you guys download this, you guys could clear up some space and just delete them and download them later on, because they are in fact yours. Let's take a look at the Xbox 360 game. That's about half a gig, which means 576.35 megabytes. Again, pretty small, so it won't take too long to download. How long will any of these games take to download? Well, it all depends on your internet speed. If you guys have really fast internet speed, it could take a couple minutes, seconds. For those of us with slower internet speed, or if you're doing a lot over your internet, this could take a couple hours. It really does depend on internet speed. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here below in the comments area. And don't forget to download these games really fast, because once those 11 or 27 days are done, then we're gonna get a fresh new batch of games coming up, and those will be the free ones. For now, these are the free ones. Download them fast if you want them. That's it for this video. Again, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can leave them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.